it's many months now since I put these piles in. We've had a lot of rain. As you can see, these piles, the top of the pile there is just underneath the soil. It's only a few inches of soil, but it's enough that I need to get back in here and clean these out. The next couple of days we're going to get concreters in, form up the base and pour it. So my job for the next few hours is going to be working my way through these, getting the more concerned with getting the mud out than the water. Not too concerned with the water, the concrete will push it out, but I need the mud gone. So let's see how we go. Okay, I've been at this just over an hour. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cleared. This last one was pretty clear anyway, but these 3 took a bit of work. I got a lot to do and not a lot of time to do it in. So this one, so I'm thinking with some of these I'm going to end up getting a fire hose in and actually blasting them with water, dislodge the mud, and then use the wet and dry vac to just suck out the slurry. So that's the only way I can see of getting this done quickly. So I'll keep going. So I try that on the next holes and it works pretty well. But as you can see, I end up working late into the night just to get all these cleaned. Exciting times on the rural project with the concrete pour about to happen. So please stay tuned. You'll see the shed build coming up shortly.